For thousands of years, the Vedic texts have spoken of Soma, a sacred drink believed to grant divine vision, strength, and even immortality. But what was Soma? Was it a real plant-based elixir, a metaphor for spiritual enlightenment, or something far more complex? In this episode of IKS in Physical Sciences, an initiative by Physical Sciences Consultorium, we embark on a journey to decode Soma, exploring ancient Vedic descriptions, modern neurochemistry, and the science of altered states of consciousness. From historical interpretations to psychedelic compounds, we will uncover the scientific significance behind one of the most mysterious substances in human history. The Rigveda, one of the oldest known texts, describes Soma as the divine nectar of the gods, consumed by deities like Indra and Agni to gain unparalleled power. It is often associated with the moon, Chandra, linking it to cycles of renewal and transformation. The hymns depict Soma as a liquid extracted from a plant, purified, and then consumed in rituals that elevated the mind to a transcendent state. But the descriptions are more than poetic. They hint at a substance capable of inducing heightened awareness, euphoria, and deep spiritual insight. The effects of Soma were believed to enhance perception, dissolve boundaries between self and universe, and connect one to higher realms of consciousness. The concept of Soma is not unique to India. Similar sacred elixirs appear in Greek ambrosia, Persian haoma, and Mesoamerican psychoactive brews. These parallel traditions suggest that ancient civilizations understood the power of certain substances to alter consciousness. Despite its prominence in the Vedas, the exact identity of Soma remains a mystery. Over the years, scholars and researchers have proposed various theories about what Soma could have been. Some argue that Soma was a Ephedra sinica, a stimulant plant used in ancient Persian haoma rituals. Its energizing effects could explain the hymns describing Soma as a source of strength. Another theory suggests that Soma was Amanita muscaria, the fly agaric mushroom, known for its hallucinogenic properties. This theory aligns with descriptions of Soma as a substance that altered perception and granted divine visions. Others believe Soma may have been cannabis, bhang, which has a long history in Indian traditions for inducing euphoria and relaxation. Some researchers propose psilocybin mushrooms, known for triggering mystical experiences, ego dissolution, and enhanced cognitive states. Another possibility is Syrian rue, Peganum harmala, which contains harmala alkaloids, capable of producing psychoactive effects when consumed in specific preparations. However, one major challenge in identifying Soma is the lack of detailed descriptions in the surviving texts. The original plant could have gone extinct, or its preparation could have involved multiple ingredients, lost over time. But what if Soma was not just a plant, but a carefully designed ritualistic compound intended to induce profound changes in consciousness? Modern neuroscience provides fascinating insights into how psychoactive substances influence perception, cognition, and consciousness. Certain compounds can interact with serotonin and dopamine pathways, altering mood and creating experiences of euphoria, time dilation, and deep introspection. Studies on psychedelic substances like psilocybin, DMT, and LSD show that they suppress activity in the default mode network, DMN, of the brain. This network is responsible for the ego, self-referential thinking, and mental boundaries. When the DMN is suppressed, the brain enters a highly interconnected state, allowing for profound insights, expanded awareness, and the dissolution of self-boundaries, experiences that closely mirror Vedic descriptions of Soma consumption. Furthermore, research suggests that meditation, breathwork, and sensory deprivation can induce similar changes in brain function, leading some to believe that Soma was not just a substance, but a technique, a combination of sound, ritual, and controlled physiological states to induce altered consciousness. Beyond its chemical nature, Soma has also been linked to Rasayana, the Vedic science of alchemy. In ancient Indian traditions, alchemy was not just about metals and elixirs but about transformation of the self. Soma may have represented an inner alchemical process, where the human mind, body, and soul were refined to reach higher states of awareness. This aligns with similar ideas in Taoist and Western alchemy, where the philosopher's stone was not just a material substance but a metaphor for spiritual enlightenment. Was Soma a lost psychedelic plant, a ritualistic compound, or a symbol for inner transformation? While the debate continues, what is clear is that ancient traditions had an advanced understanding of altered states of consciousness, something modern neuroscience is only beginning to explore. The study of Soma offers a fascinating glimpse into how ancient civilizations explored the mind, the nature of reality, and human potential. Today, as science investigates psychedelics, meditation, and brain function, perhaps we are rediscovering what the Vedic seers knew long ago. If you enjoyed this exploration, check out our other episodes in the IKS in Physical Sciences series. Subscribe to Physical Sciences Consultorium on YouTube to dive deeper into the intersection of ancient wisdom and modern science. What do you think Soma was? A real plant, a metaphor, or something beyond both? Let us know in the comments.